everybody. Thought I'd show you a little something today. Since I haven't done a video, I've been kind of busy at home. I got my VZ70s here, or VZOR 70. VZOR means model. And they're from two different suppliers. This was my first one. And cosmetically, they are a little rough. This one, you can't see it. I cleaned it up some. It's got pitting on the slide. And as far as function goes, they work just fine. This one, this is a classic firearms gun. I don't remember where I got this one, Centerfire or Aim Surplus. I don't remember where I got this one. This one I do remember is classic. And there's a little light surface rust on it. Almost no pitting. It definitely has seen a lot of use. These are the new, in my opinion, new budget military surplus firearm that's on the market right now and has been for a while. I will do a range video later, but I wanted to show you something. And I'm going to pause the camera. So, one of the things I'll need is this button right here. You push that button in, and pull the hammer back, push that button in all the way, and then you really gotta, easy to just push the muzzle down, push that button in, and then the slide will come off, slide all the way back and up, and the slide comes off. And these are fixed barrel. And you'll notice right here, this one has been filed, and it's a little rough right there, as you can see. So these have been, when that slide comes forward, just really banging this chamber in, and it's doing something to the metal here. Now on this one, these are unloaded, by the way. The magazine release is right here. I just set it down on the ground. I push that button in, pull the slide back and out. Okay. You'll notice the metal is still peened over here. That's the only thing I found with these two guns, and they must be typical in all of them. I mean, I had two with the same thing. This one, I'm going to try and just peen that with a hammer to bring the metal back to where it was, and then make sure that it closes completely on the chamber. I don't think it matters much, but you can see where it's definitely impressed the face of the slide, the bolt area. I don't know what you want to call that. This area right here, the outline of the bolt face is peening that metal over a little bit. So yeah, so I'm going to try and peen that and see if I can fix that. But other than exterior condition on these, I mean, they can be pretty rough. They seem to function pretty well. So yeah, this is the VZ70. I think they make a CZ as well, 70. Other than cosmetics, the barrel, everything looks really good. The bore looks good on these. Rifling looks good. Trying to get a good picture of the rifling for you there. It's hard to do. But yeah, I think for the money, I mean, if you wanted to really clean them up, you could. They're pretty decent guns. For the money, why not? Why not give it a shot? They are 32 ACP. They got a safety here. They're easy to, like I said, pretty easy to take the slide off and clean it. Fixed barrel. For the money, they're not, they're worth a shot. I'm going to try and peen that over, and I'll show you the results of that. Alright, so what I mean by peening is I just want to bring that metal back down to where it was. So I'm just going to gently peen that. Instead of filing it off, I want to try and put the metal back to where it was supposed to be. And just gently peening that. This is a ball peen hammer, by the way. And I can feel it going back down into place. I'm not hitting it very hard at all, just enough to move that metal. There's a little bit there. Yeah, I can feel it moving. Yeah, it really swedged the metal over a little bit there. There's that going down. Yeah, can feel that going down. All I'm doing is moving that metal back down where it's supposed to be instead of filing it off. What I'm doing here is I'm feeling, just feel if it's raised up still, and then I'm just trying to peen that back down into place. Now then, it's really not causing any issues here, but it definitely was peening over, and then it was rubbing on the slide a little bit. So what I'm trying to do is, yeah, I can still feel just a little bit. So this metal is relatively soft back here, and the repeated impact of the slide against the chamber, the face here of the chamber, has caused that to peen over. And I am trying to peen that back into where it's supposed to be. Okay, I'm feeling for any burrs. I don't feel any now. So that bump has been peened back into place. Just a little bit right there. Yep. And it's not going to affect that at all. It's sharp right there. It's very sharp. So now that I've got the metal back into place, I'm just going to hit that lightly right there, this sharp edge right here. I'm going to hit it with the file just to break that sharp edge off. I got a little file here, and I just want to get rid of that sharp edge. It's not going to hurt anything to knock that sharp edge off. Okay. Yeah. There we go. There's a little bit where it peened over right there. I'm just going to hit that just for a second. And it looks like it's been filed once before. Maybe not. Alright. So it has been peened. We're pushing that material back down. And then I have gently filed off the sharp edge right around here. So now I'm just going to put it back together. You can see all the wear, but it's still pretty tight. Now again, the large end of the spring is out, muzzle end. And we're going to put this in, and then we're going to line up the barrel. Okay. And we're going to push this button right here. And we're going to slide that back in, just like that. Again, you see we're empty. And it functions just fine. It is a double action gun. Slides just fine. This gun would clean up really nice if I really wanted to take it any further. But I don't think I will at this point. But yeah, I'll take it out the range and eventually and see how it does. Now that I've got it all cleaned up, I did fire the other one. This one I just kind of held back for a little bit. Alright, well there you go. This is what the current, well they've been around for a bit, but they're still out there for sale. Budget, military, surplus firearm. You know, the ones that classic I've seen, the pictures, I think are a misrepresentation of what you'll actually get. I don't know, these look like they were rode hard and put away wet. But like I said, the bores on these are really good. The crowns look decent. They would clean up really nice if you wanted to. So there you go. Again, I'm not selling anything. I'm not promoting anything. I'm just showing you what mine looks like. Alright.